Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the BA third semester a class that regards with the topic that is called the guidance. Actually, guidance is everything in the life of a human being on which the whole life of a human being actually we can say that depends, because we already, if we are going to combine all the aspects where the actually a human being requires some guidance from their expert person which is actually given. Suppose a matter that regards with or the personal life, vocational or the educational, so they are these are the three domains, these are the three fields where a person is actually going to have a guidance, or we can say each and every stage of a life of a human being he requires a guidance that is actually always given by an expert person. And if he has got the guidance, then definitely he is going to get a life that could be the best, and the living standard that to be the nice one, and his future that would be full of happiness and prosperity. So in regards with that only, I'm just going to talk about here, or the topic that is the guidance. So let it be once I'm going to read what I have written here, and after that we are going to make you understand in a full and complete manner what is actually the meaning of a guidance. See, look here. It is a help or assistance that is given who needs it. Actually here I have written that means it is a type of a help. Okay, it is a type of a help which is given to a person when he needs. See, number the times we have the different situations in the life, the different stages in our life where actually we need some help from the expert person, and after that going to be have that, we are going to direct ourselves in a best direction. And I when that an individual he just going to become the expert to take their own decisions, or he can just carry their own burdens, and so he's going to become in a such a manner with the help of and the guidance of a person. So what again, ahead of it also written something about the guidance, so that is also I'm going to read here. So look here. Guidance is a continuous process because it needs from cradle to grave in the life of a human being. Yes, guidance is also called in continuous process. It actually requires the consistently from the birth of a child up to the death of that person, or in the same manner we would say it is actually required from the cradle to grave. Okay, so actually different type of the situations we have to face in our lives. So every stages means, suppose we are the younger, we are not actually have any experience of a life or any experience of the such circumstances what we have got immediately or suddenly we have got in that we have entangled or ourselves, we are not able to get the solution of that situation. So exactly we wanted to get and some help from that person who is actually the expert of that, and if they have just given solution, we are going to feel very much happy and comfortable also. So this is only called the continuous process. Okay, because different situations, different type of situations in that we need to just adjust, and we can only adjust in the best and possible manner when we have the guidance of other peoples which are actually very much expert about that type of the situations. They have the totally practical experience, the practical knowledge they have regards with that situations, what a situation is going to be have right now of an individual person who is actually younger one. So one, yes, I had also have written actually such help is given by an expert person to an individual for developing personality of him or her and achieve the proper direction in the life. Yes, actually what the motive of behind of it, why actually this type of the support is given, why this type of help is always given by to an individual person, so that he could able to develop his or her personality in a best and possible manner, and even he also get a proper direction in the life, means what actually he wanted to have in their life, what the bullseye, what the goals of a person to have in their life, that would be able to get in a best and possible manner within a very short period of a time. Because if we are going to talk about the life of the human being which is really very much short, so each and everything that should be means guidance is actually the most important and going to become in regards with most important is going to become also in regards with, suppose we are, it is actually going to support means at a right time you should take a right decision. And if you are going to become the capable, you are going to become unable only when you have the support or the guidance of someone person, then only it is possible to take a good decision at a right time. Means you are going to become the foresighted, you are going to become the foresighted. Suppose here I'm just going to talk about foresighted person, means before going to have problem, you have already a solution of that. Means totally you have prepared in prior only about about which problem you have to have in the future, you are going to be have about, already you are already prepared. So this is only going to be have with the, this is only going to become the possible when we have the guidance. So I hope you have got the meaning of the guidance. If you have any kind of problem regards with this topic, then please comment also and write down at the downwards, and then definitely I will give the solution of it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Love you all.